Good morning guys, Hello Baby here. Welcome to this vlog, a very special. And guys, it's early morning over here. I thank God for the gift of life. So today my intro starts in Tanzania, and it's a clean town here. And actually guys, I'm heading to the market. I want to make shopping for my mom, buying tomatoes, sardines and onion guys. So anyway, thank you so much for clicking my videos. And my baby's right here guys. And most of the time I purchase clothes on that shop. Yeah, I think that one. And actually they are close friend of mine, so that's the reason I left my bike here. They're insecure, and everything shall be well and okay. You can see this, the beautification of flowers here. The beautification of flowers here. And actually I left for my friend the motorbike here, so no pressure guys. And maybe people will ask me, how do you manage to pass from Kenya to Tanzania with no passport? I'm telling you, here we are friendly. Like, we're buying goods and services maybe from Tanzania, taking to Kenya, from Kenya to Tanzania. So that's the reason why maybe we keep sawa. So we keep changing goods and services here and there. So for now, let me take you around. I hope guys you are ready for this amazing vlog. Imagine, this is how Tanzania looks like. Then here. Wewe acha niende. Haya. Hapo utasalimia watu wangu. Watu wako? Utakuwa salimia. I left that my friend who doing some cleanness down there, so take care of my bike. Maybe you can say hello.
Hello.
Say hello to my people.
Hello.
Yes. He was the one who sold for me this trouser here on this shop. I'm telling you guys, for charge. You can see. Let me show you some clothes. No problem. Itiamna shida. You see this jacket here, the same like this one, shirts, shoes and everything, and trouser here, you see. I'm told, oh bana, kumbe kuna muziki hapo. There's music. Okay, there's some shoes here, I think so. Open, maybe people can see. Kuna viatu hapo. I'm telling you guys, today, you see guys, we have so many shoes according to the types of the shoes, design. There's the Air Force, we have Air Max, I think so, that one here. See guys, I'm telling you, so I'm a customer here. At the same time, I'm heading to the market. I want to make some shopping. Say hello. Say hello. Okay, we're avoiding table manners. If somebody eating, don't disturb him. Acha mimi niende. Irani yoga.
Hello. Baba asubuhi amesema.
Sasa ushakula. Saa 11 labda na minyoo. I'm heading this way guys. Right. So let's go and make some shopping. And in Tanzania they were being colonized by Germany, you know. So hey! Narudi. So he requested for me some tea. I'm telling you guys, in Tanzania they were being colonized by the German. So most of the country which have been colonized by the Germany, they were being speaking Swahili. I'm telling you, let's go. Oh, shakura asubuhi. Let's go. So that being said, because of the noise, most of the country which have been colonized by Germany, they were being speaking Swahili here and there. But where I came from, we're being colonized by the British. So most of the time, we know how to speak English. Oh, hey, big truck. Right. So I'm keep rolling this camera to the end. Wow. Alright guys, coming back to the topic, and I think maybe the part of Pan-Africa, they were being colonized by the British colony, and that place like Ethiopia, they can speak British. No, they can speak English, like Ethiopia, Kenya, Uganda, and maybe nowadays maybe Tanzania improved in terms of speaking here and there. And here you go. Let me go this way. Right. I want to take you around. These videos to be long. Oh, there's some music right there. I don't want to go. So I changed my mind because I'm trying to avoid copyright here and there. So anyway, let's go. So drop the sweet comments. Let me know in the comment section what do you mean about this video. Hey. We have satellites over here. Wow. So I want to take you up to the marketplace, and maybe somebody sitting outside there, they want to experience how maybe Tanzania market looks like. I'm just living in Tanzania, and I'm so glad all my vlogs start in Tanzania for the first time, and most of the time my intro starts in my country coming back here. But the good thing, I came with my currency. So that being said, maybe if you wish, you wanna do exchange rates. If you don't wish, we use your money that you have, because we stay near the border of Kenya and Tanzania. So it's one step, you change your money. One step, you're coming back. So even for example right now, let's go. Right, they're making beds there. Wow. Let's go, guys. Make some shopping. Wow. Because life in Tanzania is somehow cheap compared to my country I came from. It's so expensive. Here, if you have $30, you can spend 2 weeks. Trust me, 2 weeks. Let's go. And in fact, here I don't fear anybody. I'm telling you, they're selling shoes right there. So in fact here, I don't fear anybody, you know, like no phone snatcher, you know. I know how to deal with street boy here and there. So right there. So let's go. Let's go on to buy sardines here. Buy sardines right now. Right, maybe today's on Sunday. Nachangaga huku. Wewe kama unanyanya nikuchangie. Mrebu bihumera man, siziku wapi? Ndio sasa gole umekula marenge sasa hivi na asubuhi. Nipimie gorogoro.
Wala 300.
300
ya Kenya.
Mbona? Mbona?
Nimepanda bei.
Mara tatura mbiwe bimena ni. Akina na wachuirure.
Shuma.
Maki burukiro.
Daga ni mbichi unaganda mimi.
Mbichi gani? Wana daga mbichi ni hizi hapo.
Daga
Disaren here. Ajar, kioreza. Anti yako aje?
ndio Jumapili aje.
Sasa kama leo ni Jumapili wirure hiyo. Hapa zimesalia shilingi ngapi zijaze hapa? That one go to $3. Alright guys, I came to make shopping here. Buying sardines that didn't save.
Nyingine?
Nimeona tu rashi. Nana napima nyanya vizuri. Nataka nyanya za mimi zinapimwa vizuri. Chukua kwanza ila mama.
Mama Mola.
Acha kwanza. Zile zimeiva.
Mama Mola.
Mama Mola ni nani?
Wewe Mama Mola.
Nione kwanza kifuko mora.
Mama Mola.
Tuka. Njoo.
Tuka, kimbia.
Kama era mbigi suko mora. Ni mfuko.
Mfuko shilingi ngapi? 500.
Wewe nipe mfuko 500. 500. It's around 25 shillings.
Nyanya za shilingi ngapi?
Nyanya.
Nyanya za shilingi ngapi?
Ni chinto. Jambe nichi. Mama Mola.
Wewe mrekodi kwanza.
Mtareko nikinunua nyanya. Ni biashara, niko biashara kwa biashara. It's a small carrier bag here. Aye.
Hey.
Candle. Tell kwanza kurai kera. Wewe nipe change. Oh guys, so after this I'm going to buy tomatoes and onions. I'm telling you. So this one it can keep pushing my family whole 1 week. Today I'm changing the content. Nirengo kungam. Mia 680, si ndio? Si ndio? 680. At the same time, we have the shop here. I'm telling you. So I'm waiting the change as we go. 675. Hauna noti? 30. Okay, ziko sawa. Sijui nipe zimepita. Wench kahet. Na vitunguu napima wapi vingi? Chinyo niambia vya kukopoa. Wow. So let's see. I want to buy tomatoes right now. Then here. Pima basi nyanya zako tuone. Aya. Pima za 100. Hizo zote ni zako. Tuende pale basi. Hadi nitakuchangia vitunguu. Ukiniwekea vizuri. Weka basi hapo. 500. Haina shida, wewe weka tu nyanya. Na vitunguu na sadi.
300 na 200.
Hizo kubwa kubwa.
500.
Weka kwanza nyanya hii.
Kama gani?
Usiweke ndogo ndogo.
Tunaona kwa kubwa.
Haya. Weka basi hizi. I need tomatoes for $1, onions for $1 as we proceed. Funny.
Za 100 zimefika.
Zimefika za 100? Unyengei?
Nyengei, na mwana naomba nyengei.
Sasa mimi nimetumwa na mama nimlee dagaa. Hizo ndo za 100?
Mafungu manne.
Aya, weka basi. This one goes to $1. Imagine. Alright. Sina rekodi vitu nanunua. Aya, pimia vitunguu. Hii umenigonga kwenye nyanya. Ningeenda kwa matinga pale. Aya. Hapa ni shilingi ngapi vitunguu? Pima za 50 tuone kwanza.
Vitunguu vya 50. Ndio kwa vitano hai.
Hamsini. Hadi hapa 50.
Hivi na hivi inakuwa 50.
Kwani kitunguu moja ni shilingi 10?
Shilingi 1.
1 2 3 4 5. Hizo ni 50.
Umesema vya 50. Na maana kubalansia tu. Ila kimoja ni 10. Sasa mimi nimekubalansia tu. Nyingine 500.
Hayaweka basi sina shida. Tunataka maisha ya songa.
Kanini tena karoti ho?
Auongeze hata jamani. Hivi mimi nishakuwa mteja wako sasa hivi tena ukinifukuza hivi.
Maana nimekuwekea vitano.
Haya, funga msana. Pia paper and tomatoes. Wakenya watumii karoti. Sini hivyo ama nimekuibia? Sini hivyo? Si nyanya za 100?
Nyanya za 100.
Vitunguu za 100?
Vitunguu za 100 umesema?
Kwa hivyo umeniwekea za 50?
Umesema za 100 jamani, mimi sikuelewa. Ngoja nikuelekeze hizi.
Ndio nashangaa hizi vitunguu kwani za 100 zinatosha naje? Aya. Weka zile kubwa.
Hizi hapo kubwa kubwa.
Aya, weka basi kama hii. Kwa zile uliweka za 50, si ndio?
Nimeweka za 50 zingine.
Haya.
1 2 3
Sawa. We're so confused. We left one bunch behind. Ama nyanya ndo zingekaa juu. Hiyo hizi finyilia. Nyanya zikae juu. Zitaumiza nani nyanya. That's onion. Sini hivyo? Nashukuru kwa huduma. Guys, let's go back. Take a U-turn. Man, you'll have my small shopping here. This one it can serve 1 week. I'm Sunny. It's a mini endem. Wow. So right now I managed to make the shopping here and there. So it's time to go back home. Guys, let me know in the comment section what do you think about on today's vlog. But for me, I feel very special. So I'm heading this way. I want to take my bike and then drive exclusively back home. Na pikipiki boss. I'm telling you guys, if one day you want to visit Africa, especially in Kenya, I'll take you around in Tanzania free of charge. No passport, no nothing. And then maybe there's some places where they need those stuff, you know, like passport, visa. But within here, I will take you all the way. Wewe Kenge, mimi naenda. Mana jinsi ni zile zile tu. Guys, I'm trying to look one trouser here. Maybe this one. I love this. I'll come the end of this month to have one heavy jacket like this because of my protection. I need good health. Oh yeah. I am sad. Asante. Yeah. So I'm saying thank you. We shall meet later because he was taking care of my motorbike. This is a small shopping. I'm telling you. And I'm lucky enough. Today my intro starts in my neighboring country. Put the key. Take the shopping. Oh. Turn the motorbike. I want to take you back. Imagine guys, because today it's on a Sunday. That's why you see most of the people, they were being maybe close their shop. You can tell maybe here, there, and up to the end. So because people here are totally Christian, including Hello Baby. So it depends the time when maybe people went to church. Guys, anyway, stay tuned. We shall meet when I'm crossing the border town. But maybe I think I will vlog a little bit and then I pause my camera because near the border it doesn't like maybe filming the videos, filming on government places. I salute on that, so I don't want maybe to be in trouble. So stay tuned, guys. Well guys, I left that place, so right now I'm heading home. I'm heading to Kenya right now, but where I am right now, it's Tanzania. So I'm filming for you a little bit. If you want to travel, there's Georgetown, Batco, tours down there that you see, bus station. Hey, I'm telling you, they're selling banana and Irish potatoes. And guys, in Tanzania, if you want to travel, they have safe to travel. I'm telling you, if you book your seat, that is it. Not like you're sitting two people at one seat. Incredible story. So let's go. So I'm on another environment here. I'm telling you, people are on a motorbike. We have Serengeti Tower, that tall building there, Serengeti Tower. I'm almost to catch up the border. So I need to pause my video here, guys, because I don't want problem. Well, guys, finally I'm back to my country, Kenya. I closed at the back some border, so right now I'm free again. I'm heading home. That's my country. Wow, guys, this is border town, and in border town it's a business center. Like, actually it's a trading center. It's even that truck. Wow. Scania tourist travel. So, guys, that being said, in border town here, it's a trading center. People came together, exchanging their mind of buying and selling of goods and services. So you can see the tank. Like, you see this truck, it's carrying cement. Like that way. Manchester hardware right there. So direct to the point, border town, it's a town located near the border of Kenya and Tanzania. So it's a business center. At the same time, it's a trading center which found the part of East Africa. Actually, we are in East Africa. We are the part of East Africa. So that being said, the country which involved or joined East Africa was Uganda, Tanzania, and Kenya. Those two countries, that's three countries which connect East Africa. I think also Burundi, if I'm not wrong. Also Burundi. So if you are traveling maybe from Kenya to Uganda, you doesn't have a passport, you can use your ID, you can use your immigration passport, all stuff. Yeah, good. Yeah. All right. Oh, guys, so I pause here a little bit. I want to do something issues and then go. Wow, guys, so let's go home. So it's time to go back home right now. With my baby here. I'm gonna tell you. This is another incredible story. Shell, I normally feel the gas there. Whoa. Let's go back. This is the part of border town. I must show you every day when I'm coming border. Oh, today is on Sunday, and that's why you don't see people here and there. Wow, this is hello baby guys. I'm heading home with my bike. Look at that view. I make some small shopping for my mom over here. So right now I'm heading home. I'm telling you. Take the grass right there. Wow. Free of charge. Free of charge, guys. That's my Roman Catholic church. And those are the timbers there. These are truck. Transport something to border town. Wow. Let's go. Let's go. Over here they cut tax. You see that lady? Yeah. Right. It's my time to use this shortcut. My good family. So right now I left the tarmac. Actually, I'm in Bush Road. Look. But we appreciate what we have, what we used for, before and after. We have a sharp corner here. Yeah. These are dump sites here, and every day when I'm passing here, I normally show you. So right now, hey, poa. Nikusukume nikuache. Yeah? Nibebe shopping. Sister to Cloud, Joseph. Nibebe shopping kwa. Ngoja kwanza.
Sorry.
You from church?
Yeah, I'm from church.
Say hello.
Morning, guys. Afternoon. Good evening. Wherever you are from, welcome back to Carol Baby's channel. Here you have Carol Felista, Carol Cloud, a sister to Cloud Joseph. Kindly subscribe to Hello Baby's channel, like and leave a nice comment, guys. Also support these our villagers. You know, your support, when you support them is when they support us too. So guys, continue supporting them, and also your prayers, continue praying for them as we pray for you too, guys.
Alright guys, I'm from Border Town, and actually she was my neighbor, so I met him on the road. Actually she was coming from church, so I need to escort her as I keep rolling my camera, guys. So don't mind. Place my camera there. Whoa. We continue going, guys. I don't know why I can capture my mama, or she went to church. Probably I wake up early in the morning so to make shopping in Tanzania. And I say, God, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to shoot video in Tanzania. No worry, no pressure. Hey, this is Kasongo. Come on, you say hello. Eh, asige tora beme bali. Usigeuze tu shati, wewe tembea hivi.
Mbona umegeuza shati?
Utembea hivyo, usigeuze. Say hello.
Hello guys, how are you?
I'm good.
It's brother Dagi here guys. For the first time, I'm going to see Lare right now, you know? So if you're coming from Hero Baby YouTube channel, go check me out at brother Dagi. There is amazing videos there, village videos. I'm just wake up right now guys, even my eyes.
Guys, try to imagine from the village you went with this brother Dagi's car.
Yeah.
Ambassador of soft life.
That is it guys,
Subscribe.
you know? Subscribe, like and share. And we really like you. We love you, our good people from all over the world. Show us some love and everything, and welcome to Africa guys. Come and enjoy with us.
It seems look like you wake up right now.
Yes, I just wake up right now. There's one of my friends just calling me. So I'm going to see that bricks. So we negotiate the price, and then we see if we can get someone to bring, and then we can.
Toilet.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Ah, yeah.
So let us try, man. You know,
Okay.
every single day is a new day, and we are trying. So one thing that we know is today it will not be like yesterday. I believe like that.
Okay, wish you
Yeah.
success. You go.
Okay, brother.
Guys, check brother Dagi.
We are together, man.
Ah, yeah.
A lot
that-
of stress, bro. You
That's
know,
okay, my home
No.
Musuri.
no one knows this, but people here we are suffering. We are facing a lot of challenge. But people
What I thought just I made which to do it. Sky in Cheru no Rasari. Guys, that's brother Dagi. Imagine we went to that guy to Nairobi, guys. All the way from my village. Hey. Yeah, must be very careful. Another car. Wow, let's go. And guys, the good thing is I meet my neighbors when I'm going to border town, from border town on this road. So that is it. We spread love from one another, from one person to another. Why not? Whoa. We have a banana right there. That's matoke. And guys, I wonder, other people came from church. Other people go to church. Which is which? Okay. So this place goes to Joseph's
Okay,
home. Okay.
thank you. Bye.
Okay, you go.
Have a nice time.
Yes, greet your brother.
He has just went to town.
Okay. I'll come to check him maybe today or tomorrow.
Okay.
Aye. Wow, guys. So that is sister to Cloud Joseph, Man Cloud, and also Mugende Dreamer. Actually, from Cloud Joseph's home to my home, just like 300 meters apart. I'm telling you. But because of on other side poor road, I'm trying to go around by using this road here. But I think if you're watching my video day by day, there's a time I shoot a video with Cloud Joseph's brother who trimming the flowers, and like he was a serious landscaping man here and there. Probably, guys, I can't wait to see the reaction from my mama. So for me, 100% my videos is to support my family as I can. Why not? Why not? Let me know, guys, in the comment section. Why not you? Why not you? We have another sharp corner here. Wow. So for me, I'm going at my own pace, slowly, as I film my videos, showing you around. You see the maize corn? So these are like road junction. Right now is to go back home. Ah. This is my neighbor who makes for me some bricks over here. You have the blocks right there. And there is a big house, guys. I think you can see from other side. See that house? Wow. It's because my camera it can't zoom. I'm back to my village, guys, full of nature, green of nature, the land that you love, guys. So I'm back, guys. I don't know who I'm going to meet at home. All of them, they went to church, but for me, no idea on this. Because I wake up early in the morning, went to Tanzania making some shopping for my mama. Alright guys, let me pause my video here. Go this place, it's bad somehow to pass with my bike holding my shopping camera, so stay tuned guys. Guys, I'm back home. There's small shopping here. That's my baby. So let me see. But for me, I'm not sure that I could meet maybe anyone here because today is on Sunday. So guys, they have been locked here. I have the key. Let me open here. So hey, this is my brother's bicycle over here. Thank you so much for those people that keep supporting me. And nowadays, look, my brother and sister have the bicycle, enjoying here and there. So let me keep this shopping for my mom. When she came from church, I'll give her. Even her, she doesn't have clothes going on. Anyway, guys, welcome to my house. This is my house, guys. I'm telling you. Let me put it here. When she came from church, I was surprised how it's sudden. Today, it's an incredible story by itself. So like wow. At the same time, I need to charge my phone over here. So it went off. I'm tired, guys. I'm telling you, I'm tired. So let me take the jacket. Even I myself want to take shower. Like to bed. Let me know, guys. I'm so confused. Taking shower or bed? Sometime I confused myself. Taking shower or bed? Let me know in the comment section, guys. You're my good people. Advise me. But I think taking shower is the washroom that have a shower inside. Maybe like my local toilet or bathroom is to bed. So I want to bed, guys. So I'm correct myself. Boom. Wow. So this is how my house looks like. Guys, we shall meet on the next videos when I finish bathing and maybe to have something to eat. I don't want to leave my stomach empty. Whoa. Guys, for me, for now I'm speechless. We shall meet on the next vlog, guys. Alright guys, right now it's lunchtime and my mom came from church. Actually, I have the surprise here. So she's gonna prepare for us our lunch dinner. Actually, we're so grateful. And let me see. Mama, I brought you something here. Hey, Njogon. Sister, say hello.
Hello.
That's my brother. Say hello.
Hello.
How was your bicycle?
Yeah, bicycle it is so sweet to ride, you know. Yeah.
Both of them have the bicycle. Let me see my mama. I'm telling you guys, welcome to our small kitchen. Hey, this ugali. Wow. So mama, you cook. Na daga zako hapa, nyanya, vitunguu. What next? And I hope guys, my mama didn't miss cooking oil. And mama, don't put usiweke mafuta mengi kwa mboga. Ikiwezekana mimi daga zangu weka nyanya chemsha utoe unipe nipe. Guys, you know, like me, I don't like cooking oil too much. But my mama didn't put, but for me I don't mind. And maybe sugary food, maybe to avoid from diabetes. Hey,
Diabetes.
diabetes. Yes, I know the spelling, but let's see. Mama, tell her I'm bubukima. So they will put inside here. These are white ugali. See guys, my mama taught me how to cook. Hey. So it's lunchtime. That's the reason why we just around here. We can't go far away. Hey. Experience is the best teacher. For me guys, this ugali, and I learned from my mama how to cook since I was young, like my sister here. Let's go outside, mama, we see. Yeah. Guys, welcome to our home. This is what I'm calling home. Less than a few months, or less than 3 years. Let me say 2 years coming back. I wanna try to change this home background step by step, guys. Like back years we didn't have tank, nowadays we have tank. We didn't have toilet, nowadays we have toilet. My brother nowadays have a bicycle. Actually is right here, and it's a nice bicycle, you know. For us, we don't, I'm not blocking things. So mama, that's a kiddish. So this is what I bought for you in the morning. And what take this? And ukumenda kanisani. Sasa nikileta hivi. And uleta. So I bought for you tomatoes, onions and sardines. I think maybe next week, between there, you can cook, you can prepare for the fish. You know what fish?
Yes.
So we have 4 of them. I buy 4 fish and then I prepare for the lunch, dinner and supper. Delta. Imagine mama. Life in Tanzania is cheaper than Kenya. Maisha Tanzania ni rahisi kuliko Kenya. So guys, I'm telling my mama, life in Tanzania is somehow cheaper than Kenya. So maybe you can put sardines inside here. I'll take a daga home. Because of stuff and everything. You can put down, mom, because they're on folding paper, no problem. So that's onions. We have another one here. We have tomatoes. This is sardine. Known as small fish. But by the time goes, I realize it's known as sardines. Sardines. So, mama, it can keep pushing you for how many weeks?
2 weeks.
Only these 2 weeks. Yeah, because we didn't eat every day. We change. I think I can buy for you a full bucket. Trust me, next week I'll do so. Weka nyanya hapa.
Kile cha nyanya tuweke nyanya. Na kile cha vitunguu.
Imagine mama, this goes to $3.
Hela ya nyanya tu.
Imagine all of this $3 and it's 300. Onions goes to $1. Imagine all of this $1. Tomatoes $1. What a cheaper life in Tanzania. Bruno. Right, that's my Bruno. Hey. When I came from Nairobi, guys, I bought onions for around $1. Up to nowadays, they wanna finish up, and then I top up. I don't know if you know kid. Why you in your lemon? Simple life. Okay, onions you put take a movie tungu. I wait a bit. Tora the bill. Your baby.
Muito tanto jura mancha como gana.
Umahanga we kibimeni byoma. Okay, wewe tuko katika kageresa. Imagine all of that $1. Na mratumira bitunguru bikoro birana.
Sasa vitunguru vitawa. Tuanze hivi. Ukora sio vile sarika.
So I think, Mom, I can do something for my grandma today. Buying her milk and bread. Yeah. Today, after this video. When I'm going, wewe unakohoa sana. Oh, flu. So guys, we launched today the sardines from Tanzania. I hope you'll see me eating. Yeah. Turateme baadaye wote. Tayo ndati ni simu icho moro tuteme baadaye. Kwani ni swali ngipi nchi?
Tukupereke.
Do you know how to operate the gear?
Yeah, everything. I am the expert of
The
this
expert.
one. Yeah.
Okay, you ride it slow as you enjoy the life. No pressure. Imagine our brother is taller than me. You think he was the first born. Okay, check inside. Bwana usi vitungu tu hapo isifinye nyanya. Toge beskei, ukitaka kudumu nayo takio. Yeah. Hey. Boss. Nowadays you have a nice bicycle in the village. So take care. Utafute pesa ununue kufuri. Ile baiskeli. Maguta usago dinyora ya rasi. Morio watakimbia nayo. Toka goturu mweka ugatigento kama keno.
Mugakora murenda mutebi garangara ntibatikere ko. Mugakora mukangi sana.
Mshinga sana. Amba uko tebu yunyoro genere.
Ndio ndi muyiba.
Wanu ibe hora kiri. Amunyo kichibigibi. So they try to make cleanness for the bicycle. Pera hiyo kipepsi ndani kitako kinafunga vitu. Pera kutunze. And imagine my sister, she was sitting here. Her bicycle is right there, guys. Right there. It's because, like, no need. So you want to go?
I want to go to school now. No, the time is not.
How do you go park it on? I'm asking, when did you going to park this bicycle? Unko take it.
Ile bicycle. Kwani tiko rango park ku madrasa kando.
Haro kuma.
Hey, wote wapata kromo mumuraisi urika mungo. Muri yabo. Ante every kanimuki.
Actually give me ambiri ogori kufuri. ufunga. So kiano nyo monta rega goto motema bukung. Usomberekera.
Yeah.
Anyway guys, thank you so much. We shall meet on the next video. I think today I promised my grandma and my mom. So today it's a combination of the videos. I'll join the part of the videos while making my grandma small shopping for her, because sometimes we give her the food, so maybe it's to top up maybe for emergency, so she can maybe prepare this something to eat. Stay tuned. Oh guys, my first experience to see my brother went with his bicycle to school right now. Hey. Let's see. Aya, I had to run on that face. What the heck? So he went to school, guys. Weekend, he normally went with a casual uniform. So, like casual clothes, not uniform. Tangan. So, during weekday, uniform. Weekend, they wear casual. Imagine guys, I'm going to shave my hair outside here, like that way, because it looks like shagara bagara. So let's go. So guys, she was very excitement. So she ride to school right now, guys. No pressure on that. Imagine. Slow. Hey. Hey, how do you feel?
I'm feeling so happy.
Yes, you ride slowly.
Yeah.
No harassment as you continue enjoying your life. So guys, I'm escorting him up to school. At the same time, I'm going to shave my hair right now. That. Hey. I'm feel so happy, guys. When my brother and sister riding the bicycle, I'm feel so happy, guys. Look at the bag, at the back. He was holding the bag. Okay. Wow, guys. Hey, he was going. Guys, make sure you subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, please, guys. This is my humble request from you guys. Please subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, love is for free. So all of my videos, I'm supporting my family. You know, family first. In other way, people saying there's another term means charity begins at home. Hey, imagine he was climbing there with that bicycle. Like you can climb in the hill, no pressure.
Yeah.
Because you can put soft gear. At the same time, I have my baby here. Hey, I can't wait to see you on Monday riding a bicycle to school at a normal day.
Because you know on Monday, I just wake up early in the morning. The camera can't take some video because of the darkness. Yeah.
How do you manage to ride in a darkness? So no pressure. You can wake up around 7
I can wake up
or
around
6.
6:30.
6:30 you have a bicycle.
I prepare myself up to 7. I just use 5 minutes
To school.
to school. now I'm managing my time. I went up early. Life is so sweet, guys. When
Simple
you get
life.
supporters, when you get somebody who loves you, yeah, it's so sweet.
Imagine that somebody loves my family 100%. I can't complain anymore because sometime I was working with my brother painting the toilet, like harvesting maize, and then you people, you're watching the videos. He has a nice clothes for the school, nice shoes. Anyway. Look at the house, man, as we go. You see? So if you are in a slanting road, you adjust both brake.
Yeah.
Don't use one side of the brake, like back one. You maintain both of them.
You avoid some injuries.
Yes. We use them less few minutes you'll be in school.
Just not minutes, just some seconds.
Some second. Okay. For me, I wish you more success, but nothing. I wish you nothing but more success.
Thanks.
Let me see your school, how it looks like. Wait me there. I park my bike here. Okay. Hey. Maybe it's not my first time to show you here. Imagine, guys, I was studying here. Hey. So you're going on this corridor here. Yeah. So maybe for the first time I want to see your classroom. Whoa. People wear casual here, I'm telling you. How do you feel? Imagine new classroom. When I was being here, nothing classroom here. It just looking like a field.
How are you?
Fresh. I'm fine. Introduce yourself.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Hello Babies YouTube channel. If you're new there, subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment. My name is Man Cloud. Consider subscribing to my to Cloud just to Hello Babies YouTube channel. Subscribe and really appreciate for love and support. My name is Man Cloud. Check me out. Road to 2K subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. Do so and I really appreciate for love and support. And back to Hello Baby.
So you enjoy?
Yeah.
Also, you study here on the other side.
No, this side.
This side, as you migrate this way.
Yeah.
So me, I'm encouraging my brother to have a bicycle padlock to lock. I'm telling you, one day they will start crying. So let me see. Hapa ndo mnasoma? Unakaa baki bench huko, si ndio? Unakaa wapi? Wapi? Sasa hivi ndo mnasoma hivi? Hivi? Kwani mwalimu akiandika huko mnaona? Sasa mnafahamu mnaangalia hivi.
Sahau.
Haya wewe soma kabisa, soma kwa bidii. Right. Let's go back. When I was on this school, guys, only this classroom going this way, that way, and this way. But this one here, we're not being here. There have been empty field here. Hey, another student a bicycle. Hey. Competition with my brother, no problem. It's a nice school here. Maybe I'll take you around as we go. I don't fear anybody here. See guys, clean environment, good education, better life. Look, when I was being here, like this could be a staff, no, a library, staff room and the office there, and then going around. But nowadays things change, people improve. See here. Whew. And this was standard 8 over here, but nowadays things change. My sister was studying here, but nowadays she migrate maybe to other lower classes, upper classes there. These are administration block. So let me see my bike. Hey, let me see. My bike here. Hey. Guys, I'm shaving my hair already. But I forget to show you how our barber shop shavers here in local way. Local way. In special way. What I spirit in me. You overcharge me the tiles, I'm telling you.
No, kumbe vijana wenye nimeanza huko.
Babu rego hiyo spirit.
Naingia.
Era soa.
Hapo kumbe hiyo ndio biashara unafanya. Kweli.
Guys, I'm back home and I want to take my lunch time, and then after that I'm going to see my grandma, my grandma, how she was doing. And today it's a combination of videos. As long as I promise maybe somebody else, I need to take promise serious. So after my lunch inside here, so I'm going to buy some small shopping for her, because you people keep insisting. But I was planning that it's because maybe sometime no money, sometime when I get money I have to run some activity at home here and there, and then I forget. But today I'll make some shopping for her. Because there's a time I promised her when I'm going to buy for my mama sardine in Tanzania, I'll buy for her some small shopping. Because sometimes, guys, I've been said, we give her the food, we give her everything. Maybe for emergencies, that I'm going maybe to make that shopping for emergencies. When maybe she want to cook maybe something else, she can cook and eat everything. But I want to buy for her bread. Wow. Bread, sugar and milk, so she can cook maybe and enjoy. So let me wash my hand. Hey guys, I'm telling you, this is our small kitchen. But one day I'm telling you guys, you can't believe my family one day. Right now, I'm going to wash my hand with soap here. Oh, my good people. That's how I'm struggle right, left, center to make sure. Oh, because I have long shirts, I need. Sometimes, guys, it's good to wash your hand before you eat. You know, in the morning you greet people, you touch things here and there, you know. So I need to wash my hand. I think the process remaining is to rinse my hand. because I'm using the right hand to eat ugali, the left hand no work maybe in terms of eating maybe ugali. Oh, my mama prepare for us here. Let me see, guys. Eggs, sardine, and ugali down here. But all in well, for us, we appreciate what you have. This ugali, guys, for you. Don't mind, guys. Maybe people ask me, hello, maybe what's up? This is how village looks like here. Right here, there's eggs, guys. I mean, okay, I need to bring the spoon for serving. Serving here and there. Serving this egg. I'm telling you. And I think everybody have been already eating. Me and my brother, we haven't take anything. I like tomatoes here and there. I left that one for my brother, so when he came from school, he can enjoy. Let me cover the food here. Guys, direct to my house where I normally eating the food. Sometimes it's crazy. I'm telling you guys, outside it's hot. Egg, sardine here. Alright guys, let me pray for my food and then as I'm enjoying. God bless my food that is in front of my table. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Let me enjoy my food, guys, here. Why not? Why not me, guys? Anyway, guys, welcome to my lunch in Africa here. Africa, Kenya, which located near the border of Kenya and Tanzania. To precise, near Buhansi village to the world. You do like this, guys. I'm teaching you how to do. When you come to Africa, you do like this. You see? Our dad, when he was alive back here, he was told us how to do like this, and then what? You see? And then we do like this. After doing this way, and our process, it make the ugali to be roll and smooth, and then you do like this. This one here is to scoop the sardine like this, or to take the sardine. Guys, look the imagination. It can't fall down. You see? You see, guys? Look how I'm holding the ugali. And then this egg. Village life in Africa. Guys, one day when you come to Africa, you'll enjoy by yourself. I'm telling you. Me, I'm telling you, free of charge. Free of charge. Free of charge. No, like nothing to be hide anymore. Nothing behind. Nothing left behind. Anyway, guys, let me finish eating my food and then we'll proceed for the next video. I'm going to check my grandma, my grandma, as I make some small shopping for her because she was staying alone. So there's no need maybe to make a huge shopping. Why not? But let's see. That's my food. That's how my house looks like. That's how everything is. And I thank God for everything that I have right now. It's by God's grace, guys. So we shall meet on the next video, guys. Stay blessed. Guys, let me check my grandma, how she was doing as we leave. But I want to make for her something special. I must lock here because nobody's here. Like that way. So let's go this way. So today it's on Sunday vibe. Actually, I'm just around at my home here. So that being said, charity begin at home, you know. But I'm not the guy who doing charity, maybe. So I'm using that an example. But normally for me, I feel so good on behalf of my side when I support my family. Guys, don't mind. I was make a mistake. That's a balanced one. I was make a mistake by chewing the sweets when I'm inside the house, so I can't hide, maybe throw it. So let me see my grandma, my grandma. Where I pass, she's my grandma, mother to my dad. But this one over here, she's grandma to my dad. So I'm supposed to call her grandma. Double. I'm so lucky enough to have grandma. So let's see what she was doing before that. Hey, I killed a book. Oh, mbuyande bono. Nkola termate ni sukaro kori chahuni. Nkola termate ni sukaro kori chahuni. Guys, I'm telling her, let me go in border town. Buy for her bread and milk. I will say I will balance because right now I have $2 because in the morning I have 10 USD. I make budgets for my mom. I balance both sides. So I now have, I think, $2.50 for shopping for my grandma. So the only thing that she need maybe to make like breakfast, you know, to eat bread. And yeah, you'll see, guys, you'll see. I'm thinking to go Nyabuhansi rather than expending more time go to border town. But let me see. Okay, guys, let me do this. Let me go to Nyabuhansi because there's no need to go in border town right now. What am I going to do? Milk, bread. Okay, let's go in border town. I have got an itch. So just moving the maize from corn, and she was drying here. But I went in border town in the morning because the supermarket, they were having it open. So right now I'm going there in case of anything. So do the maize corn, they dried here. In case of anything, I could purchase things on credit. If maybe I have less money on my pocket, if I use and I finish up, I can buy something on credit and then I'll pay it later. So right now, guys, let me go. I'm telling her I'm coming right now. Sometimes we speak vernacular language and I explain that. So I'm telling my grandma, let me go in border town. So I'm coming back with the shopping for her. Let me know, guys, on the comment section, what did you think about? I'm outside here, so to show you what I'm going through. But I haven't shown you my material for my mom dream house check coming this year. It depends the month, you know. So just over here, look, it's by God's grace we have everything here. So far so good. I'm remaining with 2 trips to close this chapter for the stones and then to migrate to the next step, because the guy who make for me some bricks there, almost to finish up, and then I see. Imagine, guys, I have long way to go. Looking money for burning bricks, like buying firewood, burning bricks, looking money for transportation of the bricks. At the same time, I want to close this chapter for the stones. But the hectic one, guys, let me tell you, the hectic one, if you done building and construction, you have already know the cement, guys. I'm telling you. And I'm supposed to have 100 bags of cement, but I can't get that at the same time. I'll purchase 2 bags, 1 bag until when I finish 100 bags. Trust me. So let's go. I don't want to make a longer video, but the crazy thing, imagine that house will be running from there up to this side here, going that way. Imagine. So I'm passing here. Let me take my baby, drive exclusively to border town. For me to be honest, you will find me in border town, guys, because maybe I will show you a little bit and then you'll find me in the supermarket, guys. It's good to show you where I'm heading to. So guys, stay tuned. Guys, I'm border town. I'm heading to the supermarket right now. That's how border town looks like, in a good way. Border town for you. Border town for you. Guys, right now I'm just over here and I want to make the small shopping over here for my grandma. So welcome to Nasulahi supermarket right now. Let's see. It's the first time my grandma to taste something. See, guys, I'm looking something special. I'm looking milk and bread. See, I'm trying to balance the budget. A small one. See, and then look for big. I'm not even cutting me dog. I'll buy sugar outside. Oh guys, so right now I'm heading home. I want to see my grandma with us shopping here for a day. I think he will enjoy by tomorrow morning. So technically, let's go and see. The small amount that I have, I share with my family. Why not? Let's go and see. Maybe I think when she was staying alone, she can enjoy 2 days, tomorrow and previous. I'm going direct. I'm passing home right now. I'm heading to my grandma. So let me park my bike here. Oh guys, wow guys, just a minute. Guys, to be honest, this is what I have for my grandma. I have milk, I have sugar, I have tea, I have bread, so she can enjoy tomorrow and on Tuesday, because she was staying here alone. But something small that I have, I need to share with her right now. Guys, I'm telling you, to budget 10 USD, it's crazy. So for me, I promise her, and then I'll do it. Cook. The table on. Mbio. Kwenye rambo mahamombe.
Asante. Mungu yurukuongeri chinguru.
My grandma told me thank you. My God add me more energy in this world. What a good day, man. Come on.
Asante.
Guys, we have bread here. I don't want to black things like, oh, hello baby. Thank you. I don't want to black things. I have sugar here for $1. Imagine. You have milk here, guys. I'm telling you. I this is what I give my grandma. I she's saying thank you so much. Okay, let me help her. This inside here instead of struggling. Dambobek. Hi. Tame. Ninge. Hi. Go. So let's go, guys, and see. My grandma, she blessed me with a small gift that I give to her. It's because of money, guys. Sometimes, you know, I was running here and there, and that being said earlier, my mama gave her the food. So right now, just like I have one of my fans saying, hello baby, one day just do it. And for me, I was thinking that, but today I do it a little bit. And the more I go, I'll do the more things for her. Let's go. If you remember, if you watch my my previous video back, like 6 months back, you will see my grandma coming home, giving her food. Why not? And because nowadays she can't talk, like from here to there, so my mama give her the food. There's no need maybe to show you, oh, my mama gave my grandma food, let's go and see. Never. There's something privacy, something public. Anyway guys, thank you so much. I'm going home to end my video. Wow. Let's go guys, home. Imagine I left my bike right there, so let's go. And this toilet, it's under construction, I'm telling you. Soon we'll see people here resuming back like crazy. We have the bricks right there, 100 of them, to finish everything here. Let's go and see guys whether my mama should have already come back home. Take a U-turn. God, thank you so much by keep pushing me, by keep giving more energy to serve in this family. And anyway guys, thank you so much. May God bless you. We shall meet by tomorrow morning or tomorrow videos. But on today's vlog guys, capture this vlog all the way. If you miss guys, for my premiere again, if you miss, you can go and watch it again, just over there. And guys, you're amazing to me, and for me, nothing more to hide, but I share what I have to my family. So it's my family who made who I am today, and my family made me to work so harder, going harder through challenges here and there. So like one day I could be transform the family, but I keep transforming my family slowly, step by step. Imagine, let me say 1 year, you see, I built the toilet, we have the tank. Imagine my sister have a bicycle, my brother have a bicycle, other brother went to school, I pay for him a rent, I make shopping for him, and that's a blessing toward my family. One day it could pay me off, why not? So I'm just, maybe guys, imagine I'm in construction, I'm here and there. Imagine I'm trying to balance both sides, but right now I keep pushing more effort on building and construction. So I'm just working for the blocks to see how things goes, because to save maybe time for the mason here and there, like working here 1.5 months. But when I have blocks going around, I can work for 1 week. Second week is the partition of the rooms and toilet here and there. Actually guys, story from here. We shall meet on tomorrow's videos guys. I wish you all the best. May God bless you. For my returner subscriber, may God bless you a million times. For my new subscriber also, may God bless you. Bye guys.